Just want to make a quick video showing you where to put the CAN bus plugs on a 2020 to 2023 L5P Duramax engine. They haven't released tuning for the 24s yet, so when they are released, I've never seen a 2024. Maybe it's the same, I'm not sure, but this for sure will work on a 20 to 23. If you need a full kit, you want a tuner, exhaust, EGR, that kind of stuff, I'll put a little link down in the description. And if you have a 2017 to 2019, I'll put a link to that video. And if you want to see the whole process to do the exhaust swap, remove the EGR, tune it, all that stuff, I'll put another link in the description. You can check it out for yourself. So here are the 3 plugs. These 2 are for your NOx sensors, and this is for your DEF tank harness. It's a little tricky, but we'll do that one at the end. So first, grab one of these. They're both the same, and I'll show you where the first one goes. So there's the front of the truck. This is the passenger side, and you can see it right there. Get a little closer to it, but yeah, this is the first one. I already have the NOx sensor removed from the truck, but yeah, you're gonna plug this one in. I like to put a little bit of dielectric grease on it just to kind of keep it, you know, a little more less prone to getting corrosion in it. But yeah, that's all there is to it. That one's plugged in. We'll go to the next one. The second NOx sensor is under the hood. I haven't unplugged this one yet, but it is right down there, kind of underneath your charge pipe here. So there's a little red tab there. I just use a right angle pick and I kind of pop it back like so. There you go. And now I'm just going to push down, disconnect it, and then we're going to plug it in. Again, I put a little bit of dielectric grease on it. You don't have to, it's just something I do. And there it is. You can zip tie that or put it wherever you want so it's out of the way. And this third and final plug is down here along the driver's side frame rail. Of course, it's right in the water, but whatever. There's the front of the truck. This is the driver's side. And if I go like that, there, you see it right there. So we're gonna pop that red tab back, and then we're going to gently work that gray lever to the left, I believe, or maybe it's to the right. I don't know, we'll see. But that's how you're gonna disconnect that plug. Pop the tab out. Then I think we can press down right there. And we can move this to the left. It's kind of hard with 2 hands, but you got to press down the back here. There you go, see, like that. And we're just going to kind of slowly, gently work this back and forth. It's going to be full of crap, so you don't want to work it too hard and break it. Just kind of gently work it, and as you pull the plug apart, it'd be a good idea to pop this off the frame rail too. With a tool like this, you can pry it off the frame rail. And then, yeah, just work it back and forth as you move this lever to the left and pull them apart. All right, they're apart, so we're gonna put that connector on this one. Again, I'm gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease inside of here, but I'll show you what we gotta do with the dummy plug. So it took me a long time to figure it out the first time, but the way they come, for some reason, they won't fit on because this needs to be moved to the right. So this gray piece is connected to this gray piece, and we basically just have to go like this and pop it to the left, or to the right, sorry. Like that. So now you see this is nice in its little slot and this is flush with the edge there. So now this connector will plug in. If you don't do that, you'll never get the connector in, and trust me, I tried for about half hour the first time I did it and threw every tool in the shop. Dielectric grease. Okay, got it started, and then we're just going to clamp this, kind of work it together. There, you hear it click. If you want to be extra safe, you can put that red tab back in too. And there you go. You are all connected, so you can maybe pin this back up on the frame rail, zip tie this out of the way, and that's it. I hope this video is exactly what you're looking for. And if you feel like it, support the channel. I got some pretty cool merch at darkirondiesel.com. Thanks for watching.
I can't take no loss.